We are glad to welcome you on our HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can scan QR code in OnePlus phone. So that's a very simple and basic thing to do. You will need to open the Google Lens either from the camera, like that, or you can also open the control panel and among the available shortcuts find the one that says QR code, tap on it, and well, as you can see, the Google Lens gets also launched. Then frame the QR code that you wanted to scan. Then tap at the shutter button. As you can see, it decodes the QR code and provides you with whatever is its content. In my case, that's the URL to our website. Alrighty, so that would be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.